Hello guys. Now we will discuss about few basics in math. I didn't decide any particular topic. Just I choose randomly few topics. So first I want to discuss about exponents and powers. This is a small topic actually, and every student has to know uh, till 10th class and after also until intermediate. So I can say. For example, I have value. The base is in negative. The exponent is like normal value n. Many students confuse. So if we have a negative in base, then what to do? Here we have two conditions. When n is even and when n is odd. hmm, When n is even, the result is positive. When n is odd, the answer would be in negative. So let's see why. For example, I have minus 2 whole power 4. 4 is even number, right? So if it means what? I have to multiply minus 2 4 times. Minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2, right? So first of all, multiply the numbers. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. Now check the signs. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus, minus, minus into minus plus. So it is plus. So positive, nothing but. So n is even. Here 4 is even, right? So answer is in positive. Now we'll see about negative, I mean odd number, negative. So let's take the same number, minus 2 over 5. 5 is odd number, right? So minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. First multiply the numbers. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, and 16, 32. 32. Now check the signs. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus, minus, minus into minus plus, plus into minus, minus. So we got result in answer is in negative. Why? Because the power or exponent it is odd. So okay, same thing happens to 1 also. If we have minus 1 cube, is minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, 1 into 1 into 1, obviously it is 1 only. Now check the signs. Minus into minus, plus, plus into minus, minus, because 3 is odd. Now minus 1 4, minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, 1 1 1, how many times? It is 1 only. Check the sign. Minus into minus, plus, minus into minus, plus, plus into plus, plus, plus 1. So it is why? Because this 4 is even. So on the result in answer is in positive. Hmm? And one more thing I want to explain, and most of the students get confused. Let me draw one line. Mm, yeah. Okay, enough. Now see, most of the students, for example, yeah, if I have 0 by 5, 0 by 5 is 0, and 0 by 100 is 0, and 5 by 0 is, and 100 by 0. Here most of the student they get confused here. 5 by 0 it is undefined, or we can write infinity. Here also 100 by 0 it is undefined, or we can write infinity. But why? Because if we see here 5 by 0 we have, hmm? If you multiply 0 like 1000 times, because 0 into 0 into 0 into 0 into 0 into, we cannot get 5. We don't know how to, like, how many times we have to multiply. Number of times it is undefined, right? We cannot multiply 0 to get 5. So it is undefined. So it is infinity. As well as here also 100 by 0. Because it is impossible. 100, we cannot get 100 in 0 table. It is undefined. If you see here now, 0 by 5. It is possible. Why? Because 5 zeros are 0. 100 zeros are 0. See, for example, if I have 20 by 4. If I multiply 4 5 times now, I get 20. But if I multiply 0 with how many times? I don't know. If I multiply 0 into 1000, I get 0 only. So there is no particular number. That's why it is infinite. Same thing happens here also. Not only 105, if you take a 1 lakh, 1 lakh, 1 crore, any bigger value by 0, it is undefined only. And at the same time here also, any 0 by any bigger value, 0 by 1000, 0 by lakhs, 0 by 10 crores, it is 0 only. Okay. Thank you.